Same day, different time. I would imagine in this order. This is the distribution channel plenum for the HVAC. Each one of these holes represents a run. First one in row is probably bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, probably master bedroom, then hall bath. The large one at the end, I would label that probably kitchen. Got 2 on the right, so yeah, that's how that goes. The 2 on the right are bedroom number 1 and living room, and that one at the very end is kitchen and master bathroom. That's how that works. That's what they are. I would bet my what's left I have on that's the order. Seen it too many times. Common installation pattern in a structure like this. Roughly 1,200 square feet in a U-shaped pattern. Common areas in the front of the home. A master in the back, most protected. Chris, I told you it was in the system. I told you the signs of how I knew it was in the system. In over your head. Somebody needs to replace her and communicate with me. Adding zeros from here on. Adding zeros from here on. I'm adding zeros from here on. Kiss my ass. I think we're going to halt the work right there until some negotiation is done. I would ladies and gentlemen, the individuals involved on the 28th and 29th and the subsequent events that led up to an unlawful eviction notice, they should not be communicating. They shouldn't even be here. They're criminal actions. Your call. Your business. But I ain't stopping. Y'all set that ball in motion, not me.